During the assets management, we have to add different models. And these models are like consumable, hardware assets, peripherals, or any other bundle models or contract models. If you think any model is not listed, we can also create in ServiceNow. And reason of looking at these type of category is for the filtrations. What type of assets user is requesting and what could be the category? Because of these models, it will get highlighted. But whenever you can't find out these categories are available or your required categories are not available, then probably you have to raise request to the administrator to add new category. And how administrators are doing it, let me show you in this video. Hey everyone, this is Deepak Rai, and today I'm going to show you how to create and manage models inside ServiceNow Assets Workspace. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a new model, manage it, and see the detailed list view. If you have any queries, questions, always reach out to me by using comments or by using an email ID. If you're visiting this channel first time, feel free to hit like, subscribe, and bell icon. So whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. This always encourage me to create more videos for you, which could be helpful for your learning. And if you think this is helpful video, feel free to share within your connections. To begin with this, first we have to navigate to the workspace, and from here you can select assets workspace. Whenever you will select assets workspace, it will open up this options where we have to navigate it to the model management, where we can see all the models listed here. At right side, we have creations of model available, where what type of model would you like to create, we can see the questions. I wanted to go ahead with these applications. I will select the applications model and click on create. It will ask me to enter some details as well as if I have any attachments, I can include it. Attachment, it means maybe in terms of purchase order, contract, or approved assignment or approval provided by the superior. Display name, you can provide the model display name here. Manufacturer, brand, you can select. Let me select Amazon. Name is, maybe I will add my name as of now. Model category, you can select it from here. Maybe I will use cluster. Short descriptions if you have, and there could be some comments. After that, we can click on save, and this model will be created successfully, where the status will be in productions once we will create it. If you have any attachments, you can select it. Let me add this attachments. Maybe they can use it for the approval point of view, or any list of informations what we have, we can include it. We'll save this and this will be saved successfully. This is applications model lifecycle where user can do different operations like refresh, changing the added column, filter, and if they want, they can create new fields as well. This is how we can create the model. If you wanted to check about your model, just add Control F and search with Deepak. Maybe I will copy and paste it here. So here, when I will add this, add it into the applications model. The name was Amazons. We are unable to see it, but whenever we'll create the models, we can see it, the model, manufacturers, and everything here. We can even apply the sorting filter from this. Based on that, if we wanted to update any changes or making any changes, we can see it here. And whenever we want, we can do the export options. So here we have to select the format or file type, Excel, CSV, JSON, or PDF, whichever details you want. We can add landscape or portrait. So I will keep here and we'll click on export. this will export into the video versions, and whenever I wanted to have a look or revisit, I can see it very quickly. It takes sometimes because as of now we have big number of model lists. That's reason it's consuming time. We can see entire detail is listed within this PDF. And from here, maybe I will search Amazon. Maybe I will add Deepak. You can see this is my model and I created into the cluster and in productions. So that's how we can create a model, export the view as well. Along with it, we can also apply filter, refresh options, or if we want, we can add, edit, or reset width. So any fields I wanted to get it listed here into the list view, I will just add it and those fields will be added successfully. This is my all models. We also have hardware models, consumable models. The wizard on the screen is exactly same. The way we did the filter options, settings, creation of model, export, everything is available in all the menu options. Overview is giving an opportunity to us to see the entire list in a high level. And this is in the visual format where business team can also have a look and decide what type of models we have. Is it streamlined or do we need to create more number of models? See this. This is in the visual format, product model status, how many models we have, and what is the status at 92 software models we have, 80 hardware models we have, consumable model. So these all are giving us the category of the model listed. And as I explained, while creating the models, we have to fill all those informations mandatory, but it's always suggested to keep in as much as informations required to looks form complete. So that's all from this video. Hope you learned from it. If you have any questions, queries, always reach out to me by using comment or by using my email ID. If you wanted to learn more from me, any topic which is not available in ServiceNow playlist, feel free to add the topic name. We'll be happy to create in upcoming videos. That's all from today. We'll see you in next video.